welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Andrea, and if you're returning to watch a new video, then hi, welcome back. So for today's video, as you guys can see from the title, we're gonna be doing a makeup tutorial slash review of a palette. This is the Mi Vida Loca palette from Lucky Lashes Co. This is an indie brand that I found. I actually found them on TikTok because I saw a TikTok that she posted where she was doing like the Chicana makeup palettes that she had, and I fell in love with actually this palette. Let me show it to you guys. So this one is the one that caught my eye right away, but this is gonna be on a separate video. But this is how it looks like. I'm just gonna show you guys. This is how it looks. So you guys know pink, you know. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, I gotta see that makeup palette, and I went to her Instagram, and oh my god, I fell in love with her brand. You guys have no freaking idea. So I ordered those two palettes, and I have two more palettes on the way that I'm just gonna play, and I'm gonna do a video for each palette just because I feel like there's such statement pieces on your makeup collection. And I mean, if you really love the Chicana and Chicano style, you should definitely get these palettes. They're super cheap, I believe. I don't remember, but I'll have the price on the screen. But it was really cheap, and it's really good. I love how it performed on my eyes. I love the glitters. So yeah, I love that it's like, it has like a bandana print, and it's actually, I don't know if it's like a white or pink, but it looks kind of pink to me. And then it has the white detailing, and then it says Mi Vida Loca with the English, with the old English font, I believe. So when you open it, it has a mirror. I don't want to blind you guys, but it has a mirror. And then of course you have your shades. I love because this is mostly, I feel like it's kind of a neutral palette just because it has the browns, it has the black, the white, and then it has a pop of color, which you have this pink. I love this pink so much. I didn't use it today, but I did swatch it and I fell in love. So I'll probably do more looks with this palette, but I'll post them on my Instagram. So yeah, I'm just gonna read the names. So this one is Baby Girl, Michelada, Chavala, Santa Muerte, Selena's, Mija, Brown Pride, Lux, Milkweed, Big Hoops, Coronitas, and Angel Dust. So this is how they look. I love the palette and how every shade is placed in the palette. So to me, it performed amazingly. To be honest, this is the first time ever that I purchased anything from indie brands, and I don't know why it took me so long, because they're freaking amazing. Just because they're a small business doesn't mean that they're not good or anything. They're amazing, and if I were you guys, I would definitely go to Lucky Lashes Instagram and get yourself some of this palette. So I don't really know if this one is already sold out. I did saw something that she was mentioning that she was gonna discontinue this palette, but I'm not sure, just because the black shade is really fragile. So I don't know, but if she doesn't, then definitely get yourself this palette because it's really amazing. The quality is amazing, and come on, just the packaging, like she puts so much effort on her packaging, and I feel like that's what grabs people's attention, is the artwork of the palette. Because that's what happened to me when I saw the artwork for the palettes. I immediately had to buy them all because I love the Chicana style and everything. So I definitely wanted to grab it, and I'm so happy that I did. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I have really good I have all good things to say about this palette. I don't have anything negative to say about it because it is that amazing. And yeah, before we start with the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. And yeah, guys, let's get on with the video.
Money that I don't accept. Like this. She virgin, I took her. She said we should hook up with boyfriend and booger. Don't know me, then look at I be in the clouds. Pull full of Henny, I drink and I drown. Daytime better come correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. Like this. Daytime better come correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept.
Everything that brought me alive, going wrong like nonsense, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. They took my innocence without an alibi.
was the end of the video. Like I said, I love this palette so much, and I'm not even exaggerating. I really do love this palette. I feel like it's just a perfect palette. It has your neutrals that you can take anywhere. I mean, we're not really traveling right now, but you know, if we were to travel or whatever, this is the perfect palette that you can take, because like I said, you have your neutrals, you have your black, you have your white, you have some glitters, you have your pops of color, your shimmers. So I'm really excited to be using and playing with this palette way more. Like I said, I'm gonna be posting some looks on IG for sure. Next video, I'm probably going to use the other palette that I have. So if you want to get yourself a Mi Vida Loca palette, go to Lucky Lashes Co. She has a Facebook, which is also Lucky Lashes Co. And her Instagram, she also has a TikTok. And her page is luckylashesco.com, I believe. I'm not sure. I'm going to leave it on the description below. And yeah, guys. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.